Hi, my name is Scott Davis. I'm a principal engineer with ThoughtWorks, and this is my 8th year coming to GIDS as a speaker. I can't believe GIDS has spent 10 years bringing this kind of deep technical knowledge to the country of India. We've been speaking in Bengaluru and in Hyderabad and in Pune, and as I think of the technology that I've talked about over these past 8 years, the technology has changed, but the warmth of the delegates and the enthusiasm that they display for learning new technology year over year has not diminished. So I expect GIDS to have just as strong of a next decade as they had in the previous decade. Happy 10-year anniversary, and I hope to spend the next 10 years with you, GIDS. Thank you so much.